What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to flip an image in Photoshop. So I just want to make this quick tutorial really quickly because I saw a ton of people struggling with this on their YouTube channels. So I'm going to give the example of a Fortnite YouTuber. So basically they want this style of text and they want this character facing the text because it looks more visually appealing, but they have it facing the other way. So let's just go ahead and drag in our first image. So as you guys can see, this is facing the other way and we want to make it facing the left and not the right. So the first thing that you want to do is you just want to head over to image and then image rotation, and then you want to go to flip canvas horizontally. This is where we flip our image actually. So then if you're in the Fortnite niche and you're still like making these videos and you want to make this style of thumbnail, all you have to do is write your text now and it will still be right there, because if you do add your text before, I just want to show you guys this. We go back to image and it flips your text. You don't really want that, so you just want to add your text afterwards. I hope this video did help you guys out. If it did, be sure to hit that like button and also subscribe, because we are on our way to 50 subscribers and that would be amazing if we could hit that pretty soon. If you guys want to know how to make gradient text in Photoshop, then be sure to hit the info card on the top right hand of your screen right now. But with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.